What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment. It may not seem like much, but it really helps the channel and enables me to continue delivering quality content for your entertainment and education. Today, I'm going to be doing a before and after Akrapovic sound comparison. Baffles in versus baffles out. And yes, this exhaust comes with 2 baffles. The comparison will have 3 parts for each configuration: idle, revving, and normal riding. I used an external microphone with a dead cat or windscreen for a more accurate representation. However, to really hear the difference, I recommend that you use headphones, a stereo system, or any quality speakers available to you. Without further ado, let's jump into it.